So, hi someone, and today is day 11 of our documenting the journey of the startup of my business and of my product. So, today my company made $6 in revenue. Wait, it is $5.5, I guess. So, yes, we made $5.5 in revenue today, and right now I'm having lots of headache. It is 1:18 a.m. in the morning. It is the night, and my eye is paining right now. So I just published the mobile application of Gmail. So we published the mobile application of Gmail on Android and on iOS as well. So it was lots of work. It was nearly impossible to complete the whole deployment of mobile application today, testing, fixing, and deploying the mobile application. It was like really complex. It's really very complex than what I thought it would be. And yeah, anyway, we have done it. We have completed the thing and we have finished it. So it was kind of headache. Lots of things were there, lots of issues, lots of bugs. But anyway, the first basic version of Zimelo mobile application is being published. And yes, let me share what I'm working on. I'm having genuinely bad headache, but yeah, but I couldn't miss to make videos, right? So that's why I'm making videos. But I'll wrap up the video today quickly. So today what I worked on was, first I worked in the mobile application of Gmail. I refined, fixed lots of things, and then I assigned my mobile application developer to continue working on that, to add some features, to integrate the communication of Firebase for notification and Google sign in and few other things. So I assigned my developer for that, and she fixed few things, she added few things, and then later on after the office time I worked on it. I added lots of things, I refined lots of things, and I also said my product my designer, my developer, to make the mock-up of the design of which we could use on Play Store, App Store. So he made all those things, and I wrote the description. I did lots of compliance check, lots of privacy policy thing, lots of we need to tick mark on so many places, lots of information to fill. So I did all of those, I refined all of those, and then our mobile application I sent it for review, and it was like straight 7 hours, nearly, I guess about 7 hours it took to complete all those things and finally publish the mobile application. So I guess most probably we should be hearing from them within few days. So next thing, so we published the mobile application right now, and I today evening I tested openclaw. I set a mission control. I built a basic mission control by cloning a repo from GitHub, and I was testing around, but I was facing one issue with the gateway. There is like gateway which we need to set. So there was some issues, and I was working on that. And the next thing, yes, I was working. I was looking over the costume domain feature at DLSR. So we have a costume domain feature where anyone can use their own costume domain like origin.com, and it will open the file of DLSR or the profile of DLSR creators. So I was working and looking around that as well. And the next thing, yeah, and a bad news. I also have a bad news. So my front-end developer, who was really very good, and I was not expecting him to leave, but he said that he wanted to tell me something, and he said that he wants to resign, and he directly asked me that how much time before I need to inform, and I was like really upset about that. And yeah, it was kind of a loss for us, because I was thinking that he will be with us for longer, for future, but yeah, obviously you have to think about himself, and we are not paying good amount of revenue. We are not being able to offer him good salary, so of course you have to think about himself, and we need to take decision for himself. So it is totally fine. And next, moving on to our team. So our backend developer was working on the email notification thing. Our front-end developer worked on the onboarding thing, and worked on the ads landing page, and at the evening as well. So he made the mock-up of DLSRF and of the Gmail mobile application and Android application, and Android and iOS both. And then our mobile application refined the mobile application of DL Surf with the offline support thing, and also she worked on Zimalo. She helped me on few things. So this was the update of ours, and I'm having bad headache. Yeah, so I guess right now our mobile application is actually being uploaded, so it takes some time to get to complete the security check or something from Google. So it was doing that. So I guess now it should be completed. So yes, good night. It is 1:30 now. Damn. Okay, so it is exactly 1:23, and yeah. So today I'll be completely sending it for review, and hopefully I'll get the response soonest. Thank you. Bye bye.